Welcome to our presentation on Quietum Plus, a revolutionary supplement designed to support brain health and improve overall cognitive function. Our team of experts has worked tirelessly to create a blend of natural ingredients that break new ground in brain health supplementation. Quietum Plus is rich in antioxidants, which are essential for protecting the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can build up over time, leading to chronic inflammation and cognitive decline. Our unique blend of antioxidants, including green tea extract, Bacopa monnieri, and Bacopa monnieri, work together to neutralize these free radicals and ensure optimal brain function. Another key ingredient in Quietum Plus is omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy brain and supporting cognitive function. Our formula contains two essential omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA. These nutrients play a key role in the formation of brain chemicals such as glycerophosphaconol and betaine, which are essential for memory, learning, and overall brain health. We've also included magnesium, a vital mineral that plays a key role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including nervous system function. Magnesium is essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system and supporting cognitive function. Quietum Plus contains a high dose of magnesium, ensuring optimal brain function. In conclusion, Quietum Plus is a powerful supplement designed to support brain health and improve cognitive function. With a rich blend of antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and magnesium, this supplement is an essential addition to anyone's brain health routine. We invite you to experience the benefits of Quietum Plus for yourself and see how it can support your brain's natural functions.